Hi there, it's George here, and today I'm very excited to show you a new variety of bamboo which I found randomly and did buy. And Ali, they have more big bamboo, and this is Phyllostachys aurea. So happy, it is a golden bamboo, and I found it random on a local shop in my city. And now it's time for the video, and I will show you how beautiful is this bamboo. And yeah, and this is a running bamboo. I'm gonna plant outside, but I have to put something to not run in every directions. So in front of my house I'm gonna plant it, but not today. But in today's video just I will show you the beauty, and the shoots are thicker like my finger, small finger, almost. That's beautiful, and this variety growing up to 3 or 4 meters. So we'll see how it will grow in my car. Now it have around 1 meter and 60, and that is really nice size for me. And this bamboo, it cost me about $44. It's quite expensive, but it deserved to buy, you know, I love to grow bamboo. And it was Black Friday, and on Friday I did buy the bamboo, and if I didn't want to buy on Friday, then I probably did pay $50, and that Black Friday a little bit I saved money, and now I have it, and so beautiful looking. And let me show you now how looking this bamboo more close up, you know. Oh my god, look at it, it is so big, it doesn't fit in the camera. As you can see, I bring it inside, but after I shoot this video, I have to move it outside because he resisting very well in winter time, up to minus 30 degrees. That is good for this variety of Phyllostachys aurea. Awesome. I really love golden bamboo, and now I have it. Such a surprise, such a big accomplishment. I found it, and yeah, so beautiful. As you can see here, golden color on this shoot and the top. Awesome, look at it. Nice. It's like me tall. I have 1 meter and 80 almost, and the size of bamboo as well. But I check from from the size up here, 1 meter 60. That is very good. I will see in the springtime the new shoots when they will grow. And you know, I have 2 different varieties of bamboo now. And my bamboo which I grow from seed, if we look at the leaves, they are quite big. But this variety, as you can see, the leaves are more smaller. So happy that right now I have at the moment 2 varieties of bamboo. Bamboo saved many families, you know. It's a source of food for Chinese culture, and yeah. Look at these shoots, amazing. Quite thick here, a beautiful shoots. Finally, I did buy this variety. And I have on a wish list another varieties as well. I tried black bamboo from seed 2 times, but I didn't succeed. You know, maybe I will try again. And yeah, nice bamboo. As you can see the variety name and price in Moldovan currency, lei, as you can see, was 950 And yeah, and I really like the shoots. Even this shoot I like too. As you can see, it was quite thick. Let me show you. It was a beautiful one, but why they did cut I don't know, but it is okay. Well, I'm waiting in the springtime to take off the shoots and will be more lethal than me. Beautiful one. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks a lot for watching to the end. That really means a lot for my channel. Greetings from Moldova. Hit the notification bell to have notification when I posting new videos. And yeah, also you can subscribe to my photography channel, and link is in description and in the corner as well. And see you next time. Bye bye.